Welcome back to Carneades.org. Today we're going to be continuing our series, Dumbfounding Definitions, Dizzying Distinctions, and Diabolical Doctrines, a series sorting through some of the jargon of philosophy. In this video, we're going to be doubling up from 90 seconds to a 3-minute philosophy video. Today we're going to be looking at the question, what is metaphysics? Metaphysics is a very big discipline in philosophy, and defining exactly what is metaphysics or what is metaphysical is a little bit difficult. So, originally metaphysics dealt with existence, or being as such, first causes, or things that don't change. Check out Thomas Aquinas or some of the other scholastic philosophers for more, though it originated, of course, with Aristotle and Aristotle's metaphysics. But since then, many things have been added to what we mean when we talk about metaphysics, and it's now one of the largest areas of philosophy. Because the definition is hard to provide, given that metaphysics covers a lot of different disparate areas, instead I'm going to list the things that metaphysics does deal with and the things that it does not deal with, hopefully to give you a little bit of a sense of what we mean when we talk about something being metaphysical. So, metaphysics does deal with things like ontology, or existence, modality, identity, Mariology, personal identity, time, cause and effect, universals and properties, free will and determinism, existence versus subsistence, and materialism versus idealism. This is just a small sampling of the things in metaphysics, but it accounts for most of the kind of most important areas that metaphysics really deals with. Some of the things that metaphysics does not deal with, though it may overlap with these areas in some ways, it doesn't directly deal with ethics and morality, knowledge, justification, belief, logic, beauty and aesthetics, theories of meaning, theories of mind, methods of science, theories of math, or rationality. Once again, metaphysics may overlap with these areas in that, for example, a certain theory of math may posit idealistic forms or something. Those things that are posited, those things that are entailed by the theory, that are ontologically committed to, are part of metaphysics in some way. What actually exists based on the theory is part of metaphysics, but the theory itself is a different branch of philosophy. If that didn't make sense, think about a computer. Here are some different questions that different areas of philosophy might ask about that computer. The metaphysician might ask, what kind of thing is the computer? Does it have free will? How does it relate to its parts? Is it something that's necessary or contingent? The epistemologist might ask, what do we know about the computer? Or what can we believe about the computer? Ethics might ask, is it good? Can it be used for good or bad? Philosophy of mind, of course, would ask, does it have consciousness? And philosophy of art might ask, is it beautiful or is it sublime? Metaphysics is a broad and intricate discipline, mostly dealing with things that exist and the ways in which they exist. But clearly it covers a lot of other areas as well. Watch this video and more here at Carneades.org, and stay skeptical, everybody.